Have important updates, information regarding the Monad airdrop, how to go and claim it. We got jumper rewards as well. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below, and we jump straight into laptop. First thing first though, it is Friday and the points have been credited over here on Pacifica. So let me know your total points allocation. Simply go to your profile and let me know the points. Now, I am farming this a lot, and as you see, 114 points, $325,000 in total volume. If you haven't joined, make sure to join down below. This is one of the best perpetual decentralized exchange right now. It's at number 4 in terms of volume. They make over $1 billion every 24 hours. So I will leave the link down below. It is on Solana, which is actually nice. You simply deposit from here and you are good to go. So make sure that you go and join. Make sure you scale to the leaderboard. As you see here, not my best leaderboard spot. Why? Because I got liquidated. But hey, the market was dumping and I did take a risky position. Talking about position and risk, if you want to come and join my trading community right here, we talk about technical analysis. We talk about everything price related, as we see here with the graphs and some analytics as well. So the link will be down below, no strings attached, absolutely free to go and join. I will leave you linked down below. Next up, we also have the Hyper Swap update on 20th of October. So in about 10 days, we finally potentially could have the Hyper Swap airdrop right here. So what is Hyper Swap? Well, Hyper Swap, we have used it for a while. It's the possibility to go and swap during the hyperliquid situation. As we see here, it is nicely with a lot of followers. We did utilize it as well. As we see here, yes, this is the HyperDex EVM with a $27 million in volume on a daily. This is a swapping possibility. And as we see here, we did go and do it. If you go to the points, we got the positions that you could have also land all your things. And here we got the points, and the points will take a while. Now, between here and the October 20th, you do have the possibility to go and earn points. So I'm ranked 13,000, as you see here, with 78 points. Make sure to go and join down below. It is possible we join on April 20th. Now, it is not hard to farm. I just didn't farm it much. But as we see here, we do have the possibility for the airdrop, and I will leave you all the information down below. 75% of the protocol revenue to buy back and burn after TG, which apparently it is going to be on the 20th of October, and we will receive the airdrop by then. As you see here, I think the points are gonna be valuable. Like, I think the token, it is going to be valuable because there's not many people with a lot of points, so that is absolutely nice. And as I said, you still have 10 more days to go and farm it. You got your whole portfolio, your dashboard, the balance, and everything that you need to go and do. So make sure to go and check it. As I said, link will be down below. Talking about the Monad airdrop, here we have the official announcement from Monad, which the airdrop claim portals opens on Tuesday, October 14. Now, how are you able to go and able to claim it? Well, the portal, there's only one dedicated thing, and it's gonna be posted by Monad. So what I suggest you to do, turn the notification bell on my channel, because I will take you the video. Here we have the page. Make sure to go and follow them, and only follow pages and information from this page with over 2,490 posts, 1.2 million followers. The other thing that you can follow when it comes to the Monad airdrop, it will be to have your Phantom wallet open. And in the Phantom wallet, there is this function over here that lets you see, hey, you're eligible for this airdrop or you're eligible for that airdrop. So make sure to go and keep an eye out for here. Do not click any link that you see out elsewhere. It is gonna be a very uh, like possibility for people to try and take your funds, try and access your wallet. So please do not click anything. How you're able to gonna go and claim in 4 days is gonna happen on Tuesday, the 14th of October, from this official page. This is super important. It's the only thing you need to click. It's the only thing you need to follow. Is the Monarch airdrop. Now expect there to be quite a bit of latency. Expect there to be quite a bit of people trying to, claim it at the same time. We got about 3.2 impression on this one, 4.3 impression before. So just be careful. It could be a bit of a mess. The portal could not work, but I do believe Monad have done it in a way that the the portal is gonna work absolutely fine. So be ready for that. Next, we also have a small surprise for the Jumper users. As you seen here, you can get about 3 to 400 Wallet Connect token rewards sitting on the Jumper exchange. I am not eligible for it. I see people are eligible. Maybe depends on the level. Here, for example, got a level 24, which for me, I am level 19, as we see here, with a 1.4k in ranking, and I am not eligible to go and claim it. So potentially it could be for people that are at the level 20, 21, 22. As for me, that I am level 19, this one is not claimable. For him, that it is level 24, this one is claimable. As we see here, with 3.3 in experience and level 24, I do have 2.4 in experience and level 19. So that could be, as we see here, level 17, nothing. Uh, so it could be like this one. So make sure to go and check it. I will leave you the jumper link down below, and make sure to go and let me know for yourself. Next up, we also have another good perpetual dex, which, by the way, it's a number 5, and this one is actually super good. Gravity has been talked about very few people, but Gravity slowly is getting to 1.1 billion perpetual trade volume. Is actually about to overtake Pacifica in terms of trading volume. So you really have a Solana perpetual dex base, which is Pacifica, which gives you point. There are a lot of perps to it, super nice interface, which I would recommend you to go and do it. On the other side, you have Gravity is backed by JK Sync officially. They got 19 plus million dollars in funding. They will have the airdrop around the Q4 Q1 of 2025 2026, depending on where they go. But here, this one, you are able to deposit directly from MetaMask, which I will leave you my link down below as well if you want to go and support me. And here they actually have the voice, the GRVT airdrop. There is already a point system, an overall ranking, and all of them goodies that you need to go and do. So slowly but surely, Gravity is making noises. People are just not talking about it, but we are about to overtake Pacifica at a over $1.15 billion in 24 hours. So if you had $500, what would be my pick? $250 on Pacifica, $250 on Gravity. Absolutely yes. Here we are looking at multi-billion dollar token, in my opinion, at launch. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. I hope I see you all tomorrow. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you later. Ciao, guys.